Hi, this is Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. Today let's look at a 2023 Yamaha 195 FSH Sport. The 195 FSH Sport's powered with a single engine Yamaha 1.8 liter engine. Nice seat with a backrest. Cooler is included as your stereo. Engine data gauge. Rod holders. This has the removable C-deck flooring. Seating in the bow. Rod holders in the gunnel. Stainless steel cup holders. Anchor storage in the front. Includes a single axle aluminum trailer. Integrated T-top with access ports for your fishing rods. Rocket launchers. This is in the sea glass gray. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham. I get 704-997-2168.